Hello friends. So portfolio management, we are covering portfolio management chapter. So what do you mean by portfolio management? We should include every type of securities, all sector securities in our portfolio. We should never invest in one security. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. For diversification, we need to invest in various number of securities so that our risk is minimized and our return is maximized. So let's now understand how we can include the most expensive shares of the world and India in our portfolio. Definitely you want to include the most expensive share of India and the world. Definitely this is a presentation which I am showing you how you can include. The name of the company is immaterial because companies come up with stock split also. So a company which is expensive today may not be expensive when you are seeing this video. So it doesn't mean that whether it is expensive now or not. You are just here to know how we can include. Fine sir. So let's take an example of MRF. It is 78,000 rupees approximately at this point of time. This is a screen saved long back ago which I am showing you. Fine sir. So do you have 78,000 rupees? No sir, I don't have 78,000 rupees. So how can you invest in MRF? So definitely you will be left dejected because you have no money but you wanted to invest in MRF. Berkshire Hathaway. This is world's one of the most expensive company. The price of one share is 4,15,000 USD. Again, this is an old screenshot. So definitely you should just know what I wanted to say, how to include these type of shares in our portfolio. So in terms of Indian rupee, it is one share price is 3 crore rupees. One share price is 3 crore rupees. Do you have this? Do you have this? But do you want to own this by paying just 500 rupees? By paying just 1,000 rupees? You want to own this? I have an idea. I have an idea. Just wait and watch. Fine, sir. So MRF was not this much at the beginning. It was merely 11 rupees. You can see it was merely 11-12 rupees share and it became 80,000 approximately share price. So this company was started by KM Mamin Mapillai as a toy balloon manufacturing unit in 1946 at Tiru, Madras. In 1952, the company ventured into the manufacture of thread rubber. Madras Rubber Factory (MRF) Limited was incorporated as a private company in November 1960 and ventured into manufacture of tires in partnership with Manfield Tire and Rubber Company based in US. In 1967, it became the first Indian company to export tires to the US. Today, the company manufactures rubber products including tires, threads, tubes and conveyor belts, pens, toys, fun school and even cricket bats. So MRF full form is Madras Rubber Factory. MRF is the most expensive stock in the Indian equity market. This is because MRF has never split its stock. Companies split their stock time to time to maintain liquidity. What is the stock split? I have already covered a separate video on this. But MRF has never resorted to share splitting or issuing bonus shares. But why is MRF not splitting its share? According to market analysts, the promoters might not want to increase its shareholders base or they want only serious investors. The reason behind this can be that as the price of the share is high, a retail trader with small investment won't be willing to buy MRF shares. Only the investors with good investments and long-term goal will express interest in the company's share. This will also maintain the decision-making power with the select few board members. They don't want to invest, they don't want to issue so many number of shares. If number of shares will be large, huge, then automatically the share price will reduce. This investment in MRF in 1990 is now worth 130 crore. So a person who had invested few years back now is crorepati. Fine sir, no problem at all. And Berkshire Hathaway, I have already told, it is the company of Warren Buffett, who earns 300 crore per day. So if we see the equity shareholding pattern of MRF, so you can see the MRF total share capital is 4.24 only, 4.24 only, total share capital is 4.24 only, maybe it is in crore or millions, that is immaterial, just think about what I am showing you, 4.24, and Reliance equity share capital is 6445.00. So you can see Reliance share price is 2500 rupees around, and still Reliance is the most valuable company of India. MRF is not the largest market cap company. Its per share is higher, but its number of equity share is very low. Number of equity share issued is very low. Fine. So the number of equity share is low, then definitely market price will be high. And here the number of equity share is huge. Hence the market price is 2500. And who is more valuable, MRF or Reliance? Reliance is more valuable company than MRF. Fine, sir. You can see the equity share capital 6445, and here equity share capital is 4.24. Fine, sir. No problem at all. So number of equity share is also given. Number of equity share is 42,41,000 only. 42 lakh shares only. That is really very small number of shares they have issued. And Reliance number of equity share is, my God, you can just see 67620 lakhs around. No comparison, no comparison. Fine. And who is the topmost company of India? One of the topmost company, you can see market cap. You have also understood market cap. What is market cap? Reliance, TCS and HDFC, they exchange here position with number 1, number 2 and number 3. MRF is nowhere in the list. MRF is nowhere in the given list which I have shown you. Fine, sir. No problem at all. But still you want to purchase MRF and Berkshire Hathaway. So how we can purchase this? Now the point is how we can purchase it. So you can purchase it through mutual fund. You have to pay only NAV amount. You have to pay only NAV amount, and you can buy through mutual fund. Fine, sir. So here you can see in portfolio, if you invest in Aditya Birla Sun Life International Equity Fund, so you are able to invest in so many companies. Alphabet means Google company, Google, Microsoft. So here it is Berkshire, Facebook, McDonald, Berkshire Hathaway. See, it is written Berkshire Hathaway, you will be an owner of Berkshire Hathaway indirectly. So you can invest in Berkshire Hathaway through mutual fund. There are many mutual funds through which you can invest. Amazon, Pfizer, top companies of the world, Bank of New York, Intel Corporation, Coca-Cola, Unilever, Sanofi, world best company, tremendous mutual fund you should invest in if you want an international exposure. Fine, sir, no problem at all. So what is the NAV of this fund? Only 32 rupees. One unit you are getting only for 32 rupees. Fine, sir, that's really great, sir. Everybody definitely will have 32 rupees. So you can invest 32 rupees and become an owner of Berkshire Hathaway. Fine, sir. And let's see how we can invest in MRF. You can invest in many mutual fund. Again, this is Edelweiss Large Cap Growth Fund, and here you can see the investment is in HDFC, ICICI, Axis, L&T, and you will have MRF also in this list. TVS, Tata Elxsi, SRF, MRF. See, also you have MRF in the list. So indirectly you will invest in MRF. What is the NAV of this plan? NAV of this plan is only 56 rupees. Only 56 rupees. So friends, I hope you like the presentation. You can become owner of world's most expensive company as far as per share is concerned through mutual fund, and hope your general knowledge is also increased and you have gained a lot with this presentation. Let's play a video which will motivate you to invest and to earn and to learn. My only objective is to make you learn, and the investment decision should be only yours. You should consult your expert before investing, because the investment decision is only yours. My only aim is to teach you, to make you learn, to make you champion in stock market. Fine, sir.
At 68, Sharath Banavadikar is anything but a stereotypical trader. Having worked for a public sector bank for many years, he now enjoys his retired life in Mumbai by reading books and spending time with his wife. But his returns would make many top investors salivate. From his first salary in the year 1968, he took advice from his father as to which stock should he invest in.
He suggested better you invest in companies like Tata's or other good companies. So he suggested MRF is a good company. It's a growing company, you invest it. MRF from 17.50, it gave me to 40,000 rupees.
Wow.
40,000 rupees per share plus every year dividend.
Right.
And now I'm holding 120 shares of MRF.
Today, Mr. Banavadikar is himself surprised by the kind of returns his father's advice has given him. MRF has seen a 52-week high of 42,275 before settling around the 36,000 level.
I would advise people to invest in equities. In banks, you get only fixed interest. Only problem, the last 10 years I'm facing, that the price is going up, but they are neither giving right share nor they are giving bonus shares. And I have been given to understand they have a lot of reserves.
For an investment of Rs 875 he made 40 years ago, Mr. Banavadikar today owns 120 shares of MRF, which are worth close to a whopping 43 lakh rupees.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.
This is an inspiring story, as we have a very special guest on the show with us. We have Mr. Sharath Banavadikar, who has invested in MRF way back in the year 1968, and we want to share his success story with you as he's bought the share at a meager 17 rupees.
All right, Mr. Sharath, thanks so much then for joining in on Buy Now, Sell Now right here with us on the studios at ET Now. 17 rupees in 1968. I think that's something that's really a proof of inspiration to many investors, and you are a living proof of the power of compounding. That's something that we at ET Now have always tried to educate investors about. So first up, tell us, what exactly prompted you to buy MRF at such a low price? Did you know that it's going to become 50,000 rupees in 2016?
No, I never thought of it that it will go up to 50,000 rupees. But I was sure that it will go up. It was a growing company.
Okay.
It was a good company. So I thought of investing in it. I thought that my capital will get appreciated. I will get a continuous dividend for many years, and this exactly happened. I got bonus shares, right shares also. I got every year dividend also. And the pricing factor was there in my favor.
Yeah, that's really worked
Pricing
out well
factor
for
was
you.
in my favor. Where is 17.50 and where is 40, now 50,000 rupees.
You must
This
be
is
a
the
very
pricing.
happy man,
Yes, I
sir.
am very happy, very happy.
Thank you for joining in our studios. What I want to understand is, when did you start investing, and who was it that inspired you to invest?
It is my father who inspired me.
Okay.
I started investing in share market since 1968.
Oh, wow. And was this one of your first investments, MRF?
MRF is the first investment.
So, did you do any homework on the stock? Did you research about the company? What exactly prompted you to pick it up?
See, initially my father used to advise me.
Okay.
Then I slowly got the trend. How to invest and where to invest and what are the benefits. See, he told me first see that company is a growing company.
Okay.
The product is in demand. Whatever they manufacture, that product should be in demand. He gave me the example of MRF. He said tire industry is bound to go up. Our economy will improve. As the economy improves, auto industry also improved. There will be demand for tires. You invest in tire company. I invested it. And he told me, buy best and sit tight.
Oh,
Buy best and sit tight. He told me MRF is best, you buy it, don't bother.
And that's
Just
exactly
ignore
what
it.
you did.
Exactly, I did it.
So, you've learned from your father, and those are definitely pearls of wisdom. Buy it and sit tight. Patience
Yes.
is a virtue.
Patience, yes.
And that is something that you've definitely exhibited. So, sir, give us some pearls of advice, to budding investors who are perhaps very young, looking to put their money in the share markets right now. What would be some words of advice that you have to give them?
Of course, apart from watching ET now.
Yeah.
I would advise them, don't hesitate to invest in share market.
Okay.
Your appreciation will be always there.
Yeah.
If you invest in companies or say banks, you will get only fixed return. There will not be appreciation. But in share market, you will definitely have appreciation. You will get a dividend. You will get bonus share. You may get right shares also. And there will be always the pricing factor will be there. So you do invest in share market. Don't hesitate to invest in share market.
I can't help but ask, you identified MRF in 1968.
Yes.
What's the next MRF now, according to you? Is there any other stock that you're looking at keenly? Or you have been investing in?
I look at the banking sector.
Okay.
Particularly Canara Bank, it is available at low price.
Okay.
People should invest in Canara Bank, price rise will be there.
Oh, okay. Great.
Retail
Definitely
investor
there
to
will be.
retail investor, what can we say then? I think so. Canara Bank, ladies and gentlemen, do watch out for that stock.
And what about ET now? Do you enjoy watching the channel? Have we given
Yes,
you
I
that
do.
advice
I do
as
enjoy.
well?
I do enjoy. I regularly watch ETV.
Good to know
Excellent.
that, sir. Thank you for taking time out
Thank
and
you very
joining
much.
in. You're an inspiring story.
Thank you very much for calling me also. Thank you very much.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.